Braids are not a vacation from your hair care routine. Let's give it some love still. XOXO. Sanbonani Dumelang, hello. My name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. The first step in preserving and looking after your braids is to sleep with the braids bonnet. Mine is from my business Naigelwe Hair, which currently is not selling products. But as you can see, because I cover my hair at night, my braids do not look as if I've had them for a month. Honestly, actually, we're on to about 5 weeks. Look at that. You can see a bit of new growth, but my lines are still clear. Sleeping with the bonnet prevents frizz and keeps your braids fresher for longer. Step 2 is to use a scalp spray. I have this one by Vida and another one by Lady D Tress Boost. If you don't have those, plain good old H2O does the same job. The Braid and Conditioning Spray by Vida is Life is a 3-in-1 spray treatment. It says anti-dandruff and anti-itch. It's a leave-in conditioner which has rosemary oil in it. I go in and apply it to my scalp. I'd say every other day. This keeps the scalp moisturized, it keeps it fresh, and just helps to prevent any dandruff that might possibly consider finding its home in your scalp. And that is the last thing that we want in trying to keep our braids fresh. A fresh scalp and a clean scalp is very important. Next, I go in and massage it in to help my scalp absorb all that I've just put on there and make sure it gets into every little part of the scalp that it needs to get into, and for relaxation. If your scalp is honestly just prone to flaking and itching, you can use something like this Premium Scalp Soothing Serum by Black Hair Redefined. It is an anti-dandruff treatment that moisturizes the scalp and it helps to soothe the hair follicles. That's what the applicator looks like. You're just going to part your hair and basically focus on the area where you are prone to dandruff. For me, that is the crown of my head. That is the most sensitive part of my head, but it's also where I tend to get dandruff and itching first before anywhere else. So I spray it and make sure that I massage it in to help my scalp absorb everything. This is something I do not every day. Then we're going in with the scalp oil. I usually use my own blend, this one, but we're going to take a break from that today and go in with this Lady D Tress Boost Rosemary and Peppermint Growth Oil. I absolutely love the cap of this oil. Look at that. It has a tight cap so it will never leak on you. This growth oil is infused with jojoba oil, castor oil, and coconut oil. It also has sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, and essential oils too. These are all natural ingredients that cure bald spots. They help restore your hairline if necessary, but I'm using it because it also thickens hair. These are all forms of promoting hair growth, as it says. I go in line by line and make sure to massage it in. This is something I do roughly once a week. You can do it more depending on how your hair feels. The scalp spray is a daily thing. This is once or twice or 3 times a week, just depending on what the assessment of the scalp is for that week. Now that the scalp is good, let's take care of our actual hair using a moisturizing lotion or a leave-in conditioner, anything that is a light cream, and my choice for today is the My Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioner. Well, hair that is dry is prone to breakage. This does not change when we have braids or cornrows or any other protective style. My choice to go in with the light moisturizing cream or lotion or leave-in conditioner is because it will be easier for that to absorb into my hair through braids. If you choose to use a thicker cream, there's a high chance that that's just going to sit on the hair fiber and not actually make it into absorbing into your hair, which defeats the purpose because we're not trying to moisturize hair fiber. We're trying to moisturize our hair that is woven into the hair fiber. So I apply it section by section and I make sure to press and squeeze on my hair, as you'll see me do just now. I go in at the squeezing motion to kind of help the cream to get in all the way into my hair, just like that. And I do this very gently, section by section, making sure that I am focusing just on my hair. final step is to look after the hairline. These are the two hairline serums I trust. One is by Masori and the other is by Black Hair Redefined. I'm going to go in with the one by Masori Organics. It is their hairline fortifying serum. The main ingredients of this serum are minoxidil, biotin, and ginseng extract. It says restores receding hairline, grows, strengthens, and thickens thin and weak hair around the hairline area. It is used for intensive repair. So if your hairline is truly suffering from damage, you want to stay consistent with this kind of serum. I use this basically daily as I'm trying to strengthen that part of my hair. Then I go in with this edge brush, and this is my trick. I hardly ever use edge gel on a daily basis, and that is another tip. Don't do that to your edges every day because gel creates product buildup. Instead, I just use a serum and brush it in. Then an area that I'm truly trying to regrow is my nape area. I have suffered a lot of breakage here due to hairstyling and just neglecting the back of my hair. And I think genetics too play a role in that. So I make sure I'm consistent with using the serum in that area. This is my hairstyle of the day. I will upload this tutorial to my YouTube shorts. Thank you very much if you watched until the end. I will catch you in my next one.